Hello everyone. My name is Taeyeon Kim. I'm from Korea and teaching foreigners Korean language now. Today I want to show you guys how to cook bibimbap. You guys already know what bibimbap is. Bibimbap is one of the most popular Korean foods, and this is very yummy. I really like bibimbap and I want to share how to cook this with you guys. Basically, in order to cook bibimbap, you guys need to prepare rice and this sauce, this pepper sauce, or this paste with pepper paste, and then sesame oil and spinach, mountain plants, sprouts, zucchini, mushroom, fried egg, and minced beef, and so on. But to my regret, from time to time, it is very difficult to find these ingredients abroad. So I will cook bibimbap instead of this with other ingredients. For example, with this salad, which we can buy at supermarket very easily. And instead of minced beef or fried egg, I will use this tuna. And you guys also can use salmon like this when you cook bibimbap. So you can use any ingredient like tuna or salmon. Okay, then I will use this butter because I have no sesame oil now. So instead of sesame oil, I will use this butter as well. Okay, then let's get started. I already cooked this rice. For your reference, when I cook rice, I often add some potato or eggplants. Then it tastes better and also better for health. So I strongly recommend you guys to add some tomato or eggplants when you cook rice. Okay, then I will cook bibimbap now. First, wash your hands. Okay, then first I will put this green salad at the bottom. Like this, I put this green salad at the bottom, and then rice here. Okay, I put rice like this. And then I put butter it is better to use sesame oil, but I don't have a sesame oil here now, so I put butter instead of sesame oil. Like this. I put here. And then I put this salad. This salad I put here. Okay, like this. I put this salad. And then this tuna. But before I put this, I will show you guys how to remove the oil inside. I opened the can. Don't open wholly. Just partly like this. And then okay, I have removed oil, and now I have only tuna like this. And then now I will add this tuna into this. I put this tuna like this. I didn't put the whole tuna because it is a lot. So just half of it I put here like this. And then now I will put this sauce, pepper sauce. I put this sauce here. Finally, I put this sauce here. This is hot, spicy. So if you like spicy food, then you can add this sauce enough. But otherwise, you have to put this sauce a little. You can decide how much you guys will put this sauce here. For your reference, the name of this food, bibimbap, is derived from verb bibida, which means mix in English. And the root of this verb, bibi, plus 받침 then you can make noun with this verb. 비비다, the root of this verb, 비비 plus 받침 then it becomes noun 비빔. In this way, we can make noun with verb. And 밥, this means rice. So noun 비빔 plus noun 밥, together bibimbap. This is the name of this food, bibimbap. For your reference, we can make noun with verb with 받침 or with the suffix 기 or For example, verb 먹다, which means eat. As the root of this verb 먹 plus suffix or suffix 기, then they become nouns like 먹음, 먹기. Later, I will explain about this more precisely. Okay, then now I will mix this in order to eat finally. In the end, I finished bibimbap. I finished cooking bibimbap, and this is bibimbap. Now I'm trying this. It's already after 9 at night, and I didn't dinner, so a little bit hungry now. This. Yummy. This is yummy. Really, this is delicious. Even if I couldn't find ingredients for this bibimbap, but instead of them, I used other ingredients like this salad and tuna and so on. And the taste of this is very good. I strongly recommend you guys to cook this bibimbap for yourselves. Okay, then next time I will come back with other lessons. For example, how to cook other Korean foods like 계란찜 and 계란말이. These are with eggs. I want to show you guys how to cook this food next time. Okay, then have a good time and help yourself with this. Bye. Ciao.